Hey my friends, what's going on? It's your boy Keder on a beautiful day, my friend. How you doing today? How you feeling? So pound that for watching this video, pal. I made a video yesterday talking a little bit about the event that I went to. It was a e-commerce, so how to become a millionaire. I want to drop some more golden nuggets from this event. We were talking about a lot of stuff about Shopify and Amazon, but for the most part Shopify. So in this video today, I want to bring something to your attention. Let's say you are broke, okay? You broke and you want to start making money online with Shopify. You hear a lot of talk about it. You know it's a system. You can actually make money. What can you do? A lot of people ask me that question. Kid, I'm starting out broke. I ain't got no money. What can I do? One thing I want you to understand. Number one thing to keep in mind, you might be broke, but you're not broken, okay?
And if you enjoyed this video but haven't subscribed,
press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
You go hard, right? You go hard or you go home. You know what's gonna happen to yourself, guys. I can tell you can change your life. Hope. First, you're gonna have to be very resourceful. So what I learned from that event, picking up from that event, if you're starting, you ain't got no money, you ain't got no cash at all. Number one, okay, you're gonna get the store started. It's not gonna cost you a lot of money. Matter of fact, I think you get like a 14-day free trial, so you don't have to worry about the first part. Second part, now you want to concentrate on print on demand, because if you're gonna go get product overseas, if you're gonna do drop shipping with AliExpress, which seems to be easy for a lot of people, it's gonna require some type of cost, because you're gonna have to buy the product, although the customer will pay you for it, but in the process, customer might not like the product. There's cost that involves, and sometimes that's gonna refunds that's involved. Sometimes that's gonna take money out of your pocket, and if you don't have any money, you're getting started from scratch, it might put a damper for you. So what I highly recommend, what I've learned is start out with stuff like print on demand. Print on demand. There's a couple of different websites. There's a couple of different apps you can add to your store. One of them is Printful. The other one is T-Launch. There's a couple of different other ones that you can actually print mugs. You can actually print. You can have design prints on mugs, on T-shirts. You can have them prints on cell phone back. You can have them print. Remember, you're not doing the printing. So all you're doing really is to get the traffic. So once you can get the traffic, now this is where I will say if you have $100 to $500 for Facebook ads, you can start testing some ideas. Okay, you can go to Fiverr, get a designer to start creating you some graphic. $5 a graphic. So what you could do, get like 5 different graphics you can test, or if you want to be even more resourceful, create them yourself. You can create them yourself. If you have a little bit of skills on how to create graphics, trust me, it's not that hard. While I was at the event, one of the teachers actually created a live graphic that was like, oh, okay, cool. You can just go to a website like pickmonkey.com. You can go grab some image, some PNG files from Google, and then bring it together with a code that you can find that is in that specific niche, and create yourself a design, create yourself a t-shirt. Like I said, if you have no money, you're gonna have to become resourceful. You might be broke right now, but you're not broken. If you put your mind to it, you can make it happen. And then from then, when you start establishing some cash flow, you start making some sales, then you can go ahead and move on into doing drop shipping and start creating money from other sources of income. I mean, that's the fastest way, guys, that I've learned from that event. And I think it would be something that I want to share with you, because a lot of people ask me all the time, yo, Keder, I'm broke. What's the best way to start with Shopify? How can I make money with this stuff? Print on demand will be one of the fastest. We cultivate an audience around it, and then start offering them different design, because all it is design. You can get the design for $5. You can get the design online made, or you can make them yourself. Just get resourceful, create some design, put them on a t-shirt, and then start showing them to people in that specific niche who would be interested. Guys, I'm not going to keep this video long, very short. If you do this, I promise you, you're going to be able to start making money even if you're broke. and then you can start leveling up into the bigger stuff. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Like, share, leave a comment down below. Also, check out my other video when it comes to Shopify. I have a whole playlist that has many different videos that's going to help you take your game to the next level. That was your boy, Keder. Appreciate you guys. Remember that. If you broke, print on demand. Make it happen. I'll see you guys later. Bye. So, pound out for watching this video.